Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming access and storage so Excel can save and sync files. Open the app, sign in, and allow files and photos permissions. This enables iCloud or OneDrive autosave. Once done, tap the plus button to create a new workbook or choose a template. Make sure your device orientation and keyboard are set for typing. If you use an external keyboard, enable it in settings. These first steps let you edit immediately and avoid later permission blocks that stop autosave. Now enter data and build the structure. Tap a cell to type, swipe to select ranges, and drag the fill handle to copy values or autofill dates and sequences. Use the Formulas tab to insert SUM, average, or IF expressions. The formula bar appears when a cell is active. Once you've set formulas, convert ranges into tables and add charts from insert to visualize trends. Make sure to freeze header rows so you can scroll without losing context, especially on smaller screens. Finish by reviewing and protecting your work. Use show formulas to validate calculations and check cell formatting to avoid text number errors. Once satisfied, tap Share to send a link or attach the file, choosing Edit or View Permissions. This ensures collaborators don't overwrite key formulas. If changes don't sync or you see a conflict, sign out and back in, toggle iCloud or OneDrive, or force close the app and reopen. That quick troubleshooting resolves most sync issues and preserves your final workbook.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.